Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is November the 3rd, 2024, and I'm collecting some dahlia seeds here. Now this bloom here had gone to the point where it completely spent. It was all shriveled up. It looks sort of like this here. This one here is one that never actually got the flower. The frost got it. This one here is spent, and it went the whole way to looking sort of like this. And when I started looking at it, I started seeing viable dahlia seeds. So this is your chaff here. This stuff here is your chaff. That's the part of the flower. So we just get rid of that. And these here, this here's a viable seed here. And we got another one here. So you can tell the viable seeds, you can tell they're not real thin. They're more plump. When you put them down, you can hear like them hit. Whereas these here, this is an immature seed here. This here never got to actually develop into a seed. So this here would not be good to plant because it's not a viable seed for you. Let's see. Let's separate the rest of this. This was the flower part there. Need that. Let me dump these out here. Go. Over into here. And they're stuck in between the chaff here. You can see. Get these apart here. This one here is stuck in here. There we go. There we go. There's another viable seed there. And here's one here. There we go. So these are all of our viable seeds here. And now these here, this here is an immature seed. You can see it bends. Show you here. See how bendable it is? It just bends like that. That's an immature seed. That there will not grow for you. So we're going to kind of look through some more of the chaff here and see if we can find any more viable seeds. There's one. And the rest of these, let's see here. No, that's no good. Are all immature. So they never got to actually develop. Now, I did not take a picture of the dahlia when I took it off because I honestly thought that it was just one of the pods that the frost had gotten. So what you want to do to collect your seeds from these is you want to let your flowers go. You want to let go the whole way through until the very end. The pod will turn like a light tannish brown color after the flower fades. And your viable seed should be inside there. Because my other ones that I showed you earlier in the video, they were ones that did not get to bloom yet, but the frost got them. And that's honestly what I had thought at first this one was. It was a bloom that apparently I missed cutting, which, I mean, I'm not sure how I missed it, but somehow I missed it. And I wound up getting seeds out of it.